Hello, everybody, and today we're going to be having a tour of a very interesting property. We are going to be looking at a villa that is currently in the construction phase, and I will tell you guys how to purchase this property, why it is a good investment, what is the ROI if you were to rent it out. I must add that this property is located in a very quiet place right in the middle of Las Terrenas, closer to the exit of the city, and about a mile away from the ocean. And like I said, this is a very quiet spot. On this plot of land right here that is behind me, there will be built 7 more villas. As you can see, one is already constructed, and we'll go have a look at it. So, what do we have here? This is an exclusive project. Now, I must add that all the villas in the end will more or less look alike. The total area that each villa will take up is demarcated on the wall by the red arrows that we can see, one here and one right there. Each plot for each villa is in the range from 12 to 16 purchase per villa. On each mini plot there is a villa that will be about 2,325 square feet. And right here, there will also be a swimming pool. I will tell you guys the price a little bit later. And now let's have a closer look on the quality of this project. Now, the developer of this property is from Italy, and all the construction materials come from Italy. So everything is top notch, all the piping, all the beams, all the wiring, everything is of the best quality. And also, it has high-level water filtration, which is very, very important in the Dominican Republic. Right here will be a kitchen studio type of layout. Now, the kitchen will be right here, as we can see. Everything will be laid out. On top, on the ceiling, we'll have a double ceiling. All the piping here you can see, it's for all the kitchen. Everything's top-notch, as I said. And everything will be covered up, and from this side right here we will have our open living space, a living room with a television, sofa, anything you want you can add on later. All the windows will be panoramic. You can fully move, open and close. It will also doubly serve as an exit into the inner court. Here we'll have a small terrace where you can walk out right into the pool. Everything you see here, this will all be glass, fully panoramic windows, and I think this is a very interesting concept and design. And also, since the villa itself is very white, it's very light inside, there will be a lot of natural light in here. Also, I have to mention that the technical aspects of the house, all the wiring, cooling, etc., everything will be compartmentalized and accessible, will be done with the greatest of care. And right here will be our storeroom, your pantry for your washing machines, your dryers, a sink, your filters, everything will be right here. Here in the back, as we exit, we will have one more entrance into the house, or exit, if I should be more technically clear. This will be your back exit. This is another storage facility under the staircase that is for the boilers and for other things that you need to store. And out back right here is a separate storage area for the pool filtration system. So everything is well thought out, well laid out to the highest of degrees, and I personally think that this is a fantastic job. Of course, right here, don't pay attention to the mud and the dirt. Here will be carpeted grass, and right here will be the pool. Now let's go up and have a closer look at the bedrooms. So we have just walked around the house, and now we're going up into the second floor. Your staircase will come out of the living room, and as we'll walk up into the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. Also, please pay attention to the tall windows we have up here, and they're specifically designed to let in a lot of natural light in, so it's going to be very bright, very sunny inside the villa itself. And also, in the Dominican Republic, it is very popular to install solar panels and make use of the sun's energy to cut down your expenses, especially when it comes to heating water. And I would like for you guys to have a closer look at the piping right here, so that you can see for yourself how well it's all done, the sewage system, Heating, cooling, everything is accessible, controllable, and separate for each floor, so you can tackle if there are any issues individually without shutting the whole system off in the house. So right here we have our master bedroom that has its own balcony right here. Small terrace, of course, right here will be movable, fully movable doors, or to be more precise, panoramic windows. Right here we have a special space to plant flowers and other greenery to spruce up the house a little bit. Now here we'll have a walk-in closet, and here will be the bathroom. And we'll have two separate sinks, one for you, one for your partner. And right here you will have your lavatory and your shower right here. Of course, will all be tiled out. This will all be well done. So don't worry, when the house is done, it will not be in this condition. Everything will be done top notch concerning the interior design. And this home will have its own shower, the bathroom, the toilet itself. This house will be fully furnished when it comes to utilities and sewage. So all you need to do as soon as you move in is to buy some furniture, and that's it. Also, AC systems, cooling systems will be all installed before you move in. So like I said previously, as soon as you move in, all you need to do is order some furniture for yourself. We have a small hallway, and as you can see, another big, tall window that lets in a lot of natural light. And here you have a second master bedroom. And here you also have some separate wiring. This is for your air conditioning, your sockets, everything will be done, everything will be fitted out. On the ceiling up there soon, there's going to be lighting installed. Everything's also going to be finished up out there. Now here we also have another balcony for this bedroom with a view into the inner court. And right around back here we will also have another spot, another trough you might say, for more flowers, more greenery. And here as we continue on walking down, we have a walk-in closet. And to our left here we will have our bathroom with your shower, your lavatory, your sink, everything that is needed, and with a big window up right here. And like I said previously, this villa is very light inside. There's a lot of light in here. This is all well done, and I have other properties that I can compare to. I personally like this property a lot. And here is our last bedroom. This is considered the kids' room, the kids' bedroom. Here we will have the closet space. Here you can put two twin beds. You have also a very big window right here. And here will be the bathroom. Here will be your shower, your lavatory, and your sink. So on the second floor, all in all, you have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. All right, my fellow viewers, now let's have a look at some numbers here. So all in all, let's wrap it up. On this plot of land right here, there will be a total of 7 villas. 1 is already sold. At this given moment, there are still 6 available. So, what do we get when we purchase this villa? Well, first of all, the villa itself, with everything included, with a pool, it's 2,325 square feet, all for a total price of $290,000 US dollars. Now, I have also done tours and reviews of other properties, and the median price per square foot here is $200 per square foot. This property is for sale for $134 per square foot. I think that's a very good price, and you might be asking why the lower price. Well, first of all, we're still in the construction phase, and the targeted completion of the construction is within 1 year. Houses get built here very fast, and I've told in previous videos why, because here you don't have a heavy-duty foundation, you don't need heating, and if you have financing, everything gets done here very, very fast. Now, one of the biggest pros of purchasing these villas is that you can purchase them and pay for them in an installment plan. So you can make several payments within a year to the developer. So let's say, for example, your first payment is like 30%, next is 20, then 10, then 20 again. You can negotiate your payments with the developer. The owners are good people. I know them well. They're my friends. You can negotiate with them your pricing and everything will go smoothly. The price is $290,000 as stated before. This is a good single family home. It's close to the ocean within a 1 mile radius, about a 5-minute drive on a car or on a bike, and you're already on the beach. It's very quiet here, very peaceful. It's gated. There will be security here. It's all well planned out. You got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a big living room. You have your own swimming pool. All the technical aspects are well thought out. All your plumbing, all your filtration systems, it's all well thought out. This is a very big pro for this house because a lot of real estate here has very low quality plumbing that will cost you a pretty penny to replace and to constantly fix up. Now let's discuss renting this place out. So if you purchase this property and decided to rent it out, this type of property is very profitable to rent out for short-term leases. Rent it out on the holidays, for the weekends, rent it out to tourists when they vacation here, or people who come from Santo Domingo, and your ROI is within the 5 to 6 year range. Your house, a property like this, rents out from a minimum of $250 per night. You have a consistent flow of rentees. Dominicans love to come from the capital city and from the big cities and rent out types of villas with a swimming pool on the weekends and rest up. So let's do some numbers. If you rent out this house for 20 days out of a month for $250, that's about $5,000 a month multiplied by 12, $60,000. And plus, take into consideration that besides your $290,000 that you spent on purchasing this villa, you also spent money on furniture. All in all, in the ballpark of $350,000 is your total investment. So your ROI, considering you're making $60,000 a year, will be in the 5 to 6 year range. This is a durable property. It's in a high-tech style. It'll serve you many years. It's brand new. So we have this property in our listings. A full description will be available in my Telegram channel. The link to my channel is below. Please subscribe to it. There I post all the latest news and my personal insights into the real estate market. And also I host giveaways there. So if you're interested in acquiring this property, text me by WhatsApp. All my personal contacts are below. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Love and peace.